welcoming you and inviting you to our sumali. Ito ba tayo sa likuran kilala dyan? Kaya masino tayo. Dito tayo sa likuran natin. Ito na kayo sa likuran kilala dyan. Hi kids! Hi ate! Kami ate! Kamakaya na kasi yung dagat dyan. Hi! Okay, tatagin sa atin ng mga support corner. We are inviting you. Hi kuya! Let's go na lang dyan. Mga lahat yan po. Alright, hi kuya! Okay, tatagin sa atin ng sasabihin. Hi! Let's go, let's go na lang dyan. We will have an activity today that is sure fun and exciting. Alright, all the kids are po, lalo dyan. And may natin sila na nasa narin area. Hi kids! Hi! Alright, dyan kasi mo pupunta siya. Event area. Alright, very good naman. Nakapila sila. Alright, everybody raise your hands. Raise your hands. Kami, di ba sa gitna? Ay, dito tayo sa gitna. Come, Bobby, share kami. Come. Come, dito tayo. Alright, let's hear you. Raise your hands. And stand up. Ayan, very good at time, kids. Alright, kami. Bobby, kayo na Bobby, dito na yara dyan. And raise your hands. Ayan. Okay. Okay, kasi po ba mga po sa mga brothers natin, please stay out muna tayo sa event area. Para mag-summarize po natin ang ating mga kids sa ating event area. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po. Alright, okay, ang dami. Kami kaya, kami. Kami, let's go. Ayun. Alright, ang side muna kayo. Smaller po sa harapan. Alright, very good. Mga ka-operative naman para ating kids ngayon. Ayan, very nice. Okay, put your hands like this. Alright, side one. Alright, side one natin. Ayan. Okay. Before we start, may kapagawa na si Kuya. Okay, kids, are you ready to listen? Alright. Okay, when I say hep hep, you must hips like this. Hep hep. And when I say hooray, raise your hands. Okay, practice tayo. Hep hep. Hooray. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hep hep. Hooray. Very good. Okay, let's go introduce our event team. I am Kuya Edgy, your host for today. Kasama ko si Ate Laika and si Ate March. Hi! Once again, hi! Alright. Okay, now let's try to meet our father of preschool. Are you excited? Yes! Okay, let's all welcome Lala Jan! Alright, hi-bye muna naman dyan sa ating mga kids. Okay. Alright. Alright, hi Lala Jan Bongo. Okay, ano yung Lala Jan? May bubulong ka ba sa akin? May bibinula sa akin si Lala Jan. Sino mahilig mag-dance? Okay, we will have a warm-up dance. And then basic dance now, okay? Okay, to all the boys, kami lang yan. Okay, sasabayan ko kayo mag-dance. Come here. Don't be shy. Okay. So friends, ito tayo mo sa atin ni Lala Jan. Ang ating first step, ang ni Lala Jan. Okay. March na po tayo sa atin ni Lala Jan. March, march, march. Okay, next Lala Jan. Okay, will you next like this? And next. And next. Okay. Okay, after yung head, shoulder tayo and belly and back. Okay? Okay, nakuha po ba? Understand? Alright, so okay, like that. Music please. Okay, are you ready to dance? March, 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 march. Yeah, march.
Shake your hands, shake your feet. One more time. Touch it, tell me, touch it,
exhale muna tayo.
Kuya, upo ka na, kuya.
Okay, kids, inhale. Exhale. Again, medyo hinihingal ako. Alright. Okay, kids, what do we have here? Let's stop. Ano ba? Alright, very good. Hello, what color is this? Very good. How about this? Okay, yellow. Sabi niyo ba yung color? Yellow, sige. Okay. Oh, have an idea what we will play today. Alright, very good ate. Tag and war. Okay, so first, itatayin mo muna ni Ate March. Sige muna kayo. Alright. Okay, if you're listening, raise your hands. Alright, very good. Okay, so first, itatayin mo muna ni Ate March and ni Ate Light yung ating game mechanics. So watch and listen carefully. Okay, first, you hold the rope clearly, and when I say 3, 2, 1, you pull the rope as hard as you can. Okay. Kung kanina natupunta yung marker, they will have a 1 point. Okay. Sige, sa sagaw naman, bumawi naman ng kabila. Yan, hinila ni Ate March ng sobra. Yan. Nandito naman yung marker sa kanila. Then, may 1 point there. Si Ate March, okay? In this game, all you have to do is to get 2 points in order for you to win. Okay? Kids, understand? Alright, so, ayan. Okay, may binubulong ulit sa akin si Lala dyan. Of course, exciting and fun yung game natin. Meron din naman tayong kailangan simple. In order for us to avoid any unwanted accident. Ano yung Lala dyan? Safety reminder. Okay, kids, watch Lala dyan. Ano yun? No? No jumping. Okay. What's next, Lala dyan? Oh, what's that? No pushing. Alright. Isa pa, last. Ano yun? Ano yung hawakan natin? Okay, pull the rope and hold the rope clearly. And last and the most important, enjoy the rest of the game. Okay, kids, are you ready to play? Alright, so let's group into 2 groups na. Okay, stand up. Let's group na. Okay. Team A will be Ate March and Team B will be Ate Laika. Okay. Okay, Lala Chan, are you excited ka ba? Ay, excited na rin si Lala Chan. Okay. Okay, let's do the head count first. Team A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, both groups are equal. Again. Okay, so your event in team players. Okay, I would like to ask for your cheer. Okay, Ate March. So you are team A, anong cheer natin? Listen. Team A! Go, Team A! Alright, okay, how about the team B? Ano sisigaw natin talaga? Alright. Okay, Lala Chan and I would like to hear your cheers as loud as you can. Alright. Okay, so since you're ready, let's proceed to the red track area. And don't let your friends of team players there also on the lines. Okay, still on the lines. Okay, let's go. What are you making your cheers in here? very good for the team A, okay? Sige, 1, 2, 3, everybody go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very good! Okay? Alright then. Alright! Congratulations to you for winning our game! Sa lahat ginagawa ng mga ating team. Bibigyan ako sa dalawang millions and a good job, okay? Sige, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, good job, okay? Awesome, now, moving on the lines. Okay, we'll right back to our event area. Okay, see you there, please. Everyone, whenever also to your honors. Okay, good job, Lala Chan. Alright, good job. Okay, we're our team players. Okay, don't sit down. Raise your hands, okay? Good job. Okay, the pizza, very kind of you. Okay, okay, dito na kayo. Ayan, okay. Okay, ayos everyone. Okay. Okay, once again, sila lang yung pinunod sa akin. Okay. Here's the picture para sa team natin. Do you still want another game? Okay. Dito naman.
Pagod ka na? Kasali ka dyan?
We'll see you again next time, but...
Pasabi ka na kay daddy.
Oo.
Sino kasama mo? Sino kasama mo dito? Nagsali ka kanina sa game? Okay lang yan. Sige na, may surprise pa si Lala Chan. Wala ka na gagawin yan. Sige, nasali ka. Ayaw mo na?
Okay, listen please. Okay, raise your hands, kids. Raise your hands. Yeah. Let's dance. Let's get ready to jump.
Pagod na daw siya, be.
Sabir. Alright, side. Yeah, one by side. Okay, top your shoulder. Top your head. There goes. March. Okay, so since you're very cooperative and you're very good, Lala Chan have a gift for you. Okay, kids, do you see what colors this? Okay. Okay, kids, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Okay. Lala Chan, how about you? Nag-enjoy ka ba? Okay. So it's time for your gift. But Lala Chan, do you want them to do something? Ano yun? Okay, Lala Chan said, cover your eyes. Okay. Then, para mag-open yung box natin, sasabihin niyo is, open please. Okay? Okay, try tayo. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay. The next card out, mas mataas, mas malakas. Okay? Sige. Okay, everybody cover your eyes now. Okay, cover your eyes. Cover your eyes ko. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Open. Sita muna kayo. Sita na muna. Everyone raise your hands. Okay, just raise your hands. Each and every one of you will receive one balloon. Okay, once you receive your balloons, stay on your seats. Okay, sino pa?
Okay lang yan, ma'am. Okay lang yan. Wala naman po additional payment siya, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, kids, listen muna kayo. We will start with si Maria. May kami bibigay. Kami yung sita. Okay. Okay, kids. When I say Kitsuna, you will shout, hooray, and wave your balloons. Okay, it's okay lang po yan. Okay. Everybody, let's say Kitsuna, hooray. Okay, just a practice lang, okay? Okay. Parents and guardians, please proceed po sa harapan and take pictures of your kids. Okay, kids, give your biggest smiles on your mommies and daddies, okay? Sige, let's practice again. 1, 2, 3, Kitsuna, hooray! Okay, one more. So this time it's louder, okay? 1, 2, 3, Kitsuna, hooray! Alright, come here na. Thank you so much. Lala dyan, come here. Okay, kids. Wait up, sita muna kayo. Alright, okay. Sino ang malapit na mag-birthday? Sino ang malapit na mag-birthday? Si ate. Sino pa? Okay. Okay, let's invite the parents and guardians. Okay, ito ang parents and guardians po na nandito. Kung malapit na po ang mga birthdays ng inyong mga kids, Kitsuna is now open for birthday reservations and we have different party packages to offer. Okay, for your inquiries and questions, don't hesitate to also out 20 partners are the local area sections for the institutions. Thank you so much po. And also, available na rin po ang gift certificates worth 200 pesos as a gift for your loved one. It is good as fashionable. Thank you so much. Okay, kids. Okay, once again, kung di na sila lahat nag-enjoy pa kayo. Okay, sinong gusto pa bumalik dito? Raise your balloons. Alright. Okay, we hope we see you again here next time. Thank you so much for playing. I hope you will enjoy your stay here in Kitsuna. Okay, you can now enjoy the rest of your time here in Kitsuna. Bye-bye. Let's try to say goodbye to Lalajan. Bye-bye. Okay. Kung there's one na sa pictures ko, buti na lang po tayo sa over area. Okay, thank you so